How do you evaluate the potential for a new passive income idea?
Is it able to make money without me there? That's how I qualify it. I see so many people with their ideas, and a lot of these guys get stuck in self-employed mode, entrepreneurial space. And I ask them, what's your game plan for scaling it up? And you can walk away and it just becomes passive income. Because if that can't happen, I'm not doing it. So that's how I qualify it. Is what I'm looking at. Is there a possibility to build it in a way that I can walk away from it and just oversee it? And if that's not the case, I don't touch it. And a lot of times to be able to pay its own bills too. For instance, and we may get into it, trucking. A semi-truck can pay its own truck note. So it doesn't come out of my pocket. That's another way that I qualify things. If the thing I'm about to do can pay its own bills.
Thank you very much for tuning into our expert interview series. If you're interested in passive income investments, contact Joseph and his team through the information which we have on the screen for you. He'll send you out a brochure and the actual contract for you to review. This has been Justin Kunst, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising.